Oh.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Get in there, boy.
Oh.
He's almost in the net.
Nice. Nice.
Good job, Mike. That sure beats last week.
Look at him. Nice. He's good looking. You don't think so? How long do you think? Hey Marty, what did you have? That's a snook.
Thank you, buddy.
Marty on again. We're just gonna hook him.
Okay, no, hit that.
Good job, Marty.
I thought you were using live bait. That's why I thought it was a red. Good job, Marty.
Come on, Marty. What we got here? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Nice.
Marty,
Yeah.
catch us some more ladyfish.
Yeah. I'm switching.
Changing your mind now?
Yep.
Okay. I think I can get him to you now.
Turn. Come on. There you
I'll
go.
send him back to you.
Upper 20s. Get another assist there, Marty. Hey, Tip, your bobber's down. That's a beast.
It's a nice one.
Who's got the camera?
Hi. You want it? Nice.